Hey everyone, ready to deep dive into some seriously cool ways to make money online? We're talking the 15 best ways to rake it in 2025. And guess what? We've got some amazing insights from Trendycoj and EcoSend to guide us.
It's going to be fascinating to unpack this, right? The online world's changing so fast, new opportunities popping up all the time. This stuff is hot.
You're telling me. Okay, so let's kick things off with something that's super futuristic, selling AI services and building chatbots.
Yeah, EcoSend was all over that. AI is getting crazy sophisticated, you know?
It really is. And businesses are like totally scrambling to get a piece of it. Think about it. AI-powered chatbots for customer service, marketing tools that practically run themselves, even AI that can whip up content. It's mind-blowing.
The income potential is huge if you can tap into that. And the best part is you don't need to be like a coding genius to get started.
Right. EcoSend mentioned platforms like ManyChat, where you can build chatbots without needing to know a lick of code. It's like AI for everyone.
Exactly. It's leveling the playing field. Anyone can become an AI entrepreneur these days.
Okay, so we've got the future covered. Now let's talk about something that's always reliable, freelancing. Both Trendycoj and EcoSend were singing its praises.
Yeah, it's a classic for a reason. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are still going strong, connecting freelancers with clients all over the world.
It's amazing how much opportunity there is out there. Trendycoj even had this anecdote about a freelancer who makes like hundreds to thousands of dollars every month just managing social media for small businesses.
It's incredible, right? And EcoSend really nailed it when they talked about how important it is to have a strong online presence. You got to showcase your skills, your experience, your personality. It's all part of attracting those high-paying clients.
Basically, you need a killer website or LinkedIn profile that really pops. Think of it as your virtual storefront, you know? First impressions matter.
Totally. And don't forget those testimonials. Clients singing your praises, that's gold. It builds trust and credibility.
Speaking of making a splash, let's talk short-form video content. Both sources highlighted how huge GE it is, especially with platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels.
It's wild how fast it's taken over. And here's where things get really interesting. Remember how we talked about AI earlier? Well, EcoSend thinks AI-generated video content is about to explode.
Whoa, that's a game changer. AI helping you edit videos or even writing scripts. But like you said before, it does raise some questions about authenticity and creativity.
For sure. It's definitely something to keep an eye on. But for now, the big takeaway is focus on making high-quality, engaging videos that your audience will love. Find your niche and rock it.
EcoSend had this crazy example of a guy who makes bank by filming walking tours of his city and uploading them to YouTube. Millions of views and ad revenue rolling in.
You never know what's going to resonate, right? Proof that you don't need to be a Hollywood director to find success. Sometimes the simplest ideas are the best.
Okay, now for something that speaks to my inner make money while I sleep desires. Selling digital products. Passive income, here we come.
Both sources were all about this. And what's cool about digital products is the variety, right? You can sell ebooks, online courses, design templates, stock photos, even printable wall art. It's amazing.
EcoSend even mentioned platforms like Etsy and Gumroad where you can sell this stuff. So no need to build your own website from scratch, which is pretty awesome.
Super convenient. But here's the thing. With so many digital products out there, standing out is key why. Trendycoj had a great point about solving a specific problem or catering to a niche interest. You gotta offer something truly valuable.
So market research is a must. Figure out what people need and create a digital product that fills that gap.
Bingo. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing. Basically, you leverage your platform to promote products you love, and boom, you get a commission on every sale.
Like a win-win, right? You get to share awesome products with your audience, and they get to discover cool new stuff, and you make money in the process. EcoSend had this crazy stat about email marketing, a $40 return on investment for every dollar spent.
No way. Email marketing is still a powerhouse, even in 2025.
So building an email list is still crucial. It's about building those direct relationships with your audience.
Absolutely. Nurturing those connections, offering valuable content. That's where the magic happens.
But authenticity is key, right? Yeah. People can spot a fake from a mile away.
Totally. Trendycoj was all about being transparent and genuine when promoting affiliate products. People trust recommendations that come from the heart, you know?
So choose affiliate programs that align with your values. And don't just promote anything for a quick buck. Build that trust, baby.
Exactly. It's about building long-term relationships, not just chasing quick sales.
Now let's talk about something that appeals to my creative side, print on demand. You get to design cool stuff without dealing with inventory or shipping.
Right. Platforms like Redbubble and Zazzle handle all that for you. You create the designs, they take care of the rest.
I love it. EcoSend said Redbubble usually pays artists about 20% on each sale. So if you sell a t-shirt for $20, you get $4. Not bad.
And the cool thing is, you can design for all sorts of products. T-shirts, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, you name it.
EcoSend also mentioned that researching popular niches and trends is key to boosting your sales. Gotta know what people are into.
Absolutely. Holidays, seasonal events, memes, niche hobbies. There's a market for everything.
Now let's explore the world of online tutoring or consulting. This one seems perfect for folks who love sharing their knowledge and expertise.
It's booming. And there are so many areas you can specialize in, from academics and languages to business and tech.
EcoSend pointed out that you get to set your own rates and work with clients from all over the globe. Pretty sweet deal.
Totally. It's super flexible. And EcoSend also mentioned that presenting yourself professionally is crucial. Clear expectations, a structured approach, it all builds trust with your clients.
So whether you're helping students ace their exams or guiding businesses to success, online tutoring and consulting are definitely worth checking out.
And speaking of flexibility, let's talk about becoming a virtual assistant. This role has exploded in popularity, and it's easy to see why.
Trendy Coach highlighted all the cool things VAs can do, from managing social media and email marketing to scheduling appointments and booking travel.
It's like being a multitasking ninja. And since it's all remote, you can work from anywhere in the world.
Trendy Coach also mentioned that VAs can set their own rates hourly or per project. Flexibility is the name of the game.
And EcoSyn had a good point about showcasing your skills and experience online. A strong online presence is essential for attracting those high-paying clients.
So it's all about showing off your skills and making a business owner's life easier. Who wouldn't want a VA, right?
For real. Okay, so we've talked about specific skills and services. Now let's talk about something that's crucial for any online endeavor. Building an online brand identity. Trendy Coach was all about this.
Yeah, they called it a powerful tool for visibility, whether you're a solopreneur or a big company.
And it goes beyond just having a website or social media, it's about creating a brand that really resonates with your audience, building trust, and making a memorable impression.
Trendy Coach said it's all about defining your niche, understanding your ideal customer, and being consistent with your brand voice and visuals across all your platforms.
It's like creating a virtual storefront that reflects your personality and expertise.
They also mentioned that there are tons of ways to build your brand: ebooks, email marketing, social media posts, a cool logo, a killer website, even a podcast like ours.
It's about using all the tools in your arsenal to tell your story and connect with your audience.
Oh, and Trendy Coach had this great tip about using a professional email address. It might seem like a small thing, but it makes a huge difference.
Totally. You got to project that professional image, even if you're working from your pajamas.
Now let's talk about something that sounds like a digital adventure: buying, flipping, and selling websites, apps, or games. EcoSend presented this as a unique opportunity to blend tech skills with entrepreneurial spirit.
It's like flipping houses, but in the digital world. You find websites, apps, or games that are undervalued, you spruce them up, and then you sell them for a profit.
EcoSend even told a story about a flippa entrepreneur from London who made $80,000 from their first sale.
Whoa. It shows that big returns are possible, but it's not a walk in the park. You got to do your research, have some tech skills, and understand online business models.
So how do you even know which ones are worth investing in? It seems risky.
EcoSend emphasized research. Just like any investment, look for websites with good traffic, monetization potential, and room for improvement. You're basically a digital treasure hunter.
So a little bit of tech wizardry, a dash of business savvy, and a whole lot of entrepreneurial spirit.
Exactly. And remember, you don't always have to buy and flip. You can build your own websites, apps, or games from scratch and sell those too.
True. So many possibilities.
Yeah.
Okay, let's talk e-commerce. Both Trendy Coach and EcoSend highlighted its massive growth. It's like the Wild West of online business, with new platforms and strategies popping up all the time.
EcoSend dropped a mind-blowing stat. The global e-commerce market is expected to hit almost $6.5 trillion by 2029.
Holy moly, that's a huge pie. But with so much competition, standing out must be a challenge.
You said it. Trendy Coach emphasized finding your niche. Offer something unique, something special that caters to a specific audience. Don't just be another generic online store.
So it's about differentiation and specialization. What makes you unique?
Exactly. Think about what value you can bring to the table, whether it's through your products, your customer service, or even just your brand's story.
And let's not forget about marketing. You got to get those products in front of the right people.
Right. EcoSend was all about the importance of social media marketing, email marketing, and SEO. It's all connected.
So building an e-commerce empire is a multifaceted beast. You need the right products, a strong brand, marketing smarts, and awesome customer service.
It's a lot, but the potential rewards are massive.
Okay, now for something that's often called the king of online marketing, email marketing.
Yes, the trusty email.
Oh.
EcoSend was super enthusiastic about this one, highlighting that impressive return on investment we talked about earlier. For good reason. Email marketing allows you to build direct relationships with your audience. Nurture those connections, provide value, build trust. It all leads to more sales.
They even had a tip. Segment your email list based on people's preferences and what they bought before. That way you can send super targeted offers that are more likely to resonate.
Smart. It shows you're paying attention and not just blasting out generic emails that end up in the spam folder. People appreciate that personal touch.
Now let's talk about something that blends the online and offline worlds, property sourcing. EcoSend mentioned this as a cool way to make money in real estate, even if you're not buying properties yourself.
It's about connecting buyers and developers with properties that fit their needs. You're like a real estate matchmaker.
So you need to be good at research, have local market knowledge, and be a networking pro. EcoSend said property sourcers in the UK can charge upfront fees from like $660 to over $2,600 per property.
Not bad. Okay, let's jump back into the digital world. EcoSend also mentioned something super simple but effective: selling unwanted stuff online. It's a win-win. You declutter and make some cash.
It's like giving those pre-loved items a second life. EcoSend listed platforms like eBay, Gumtree, Facebook Marketplace, and Vinted for selling everything from clothes and gadgets to furniture and collectibles.
Trendy Coach had some great tips too. Take amazing photos, write detailed descriptions, and be responsive to potential buyers.
Right. Make it easy and enjoyable for people to buy from you. Okay, let's get back to the world of events, but with a twist. EcoSend talked about hosting paid virtual events as a way to monetize your expertise or passion.
Virtual events have become huge EE, especially after the pandemic. Platforms like Eventbrite make it easy to host webinars, workshops, conferences, even virtual concerts, and you can charge for access.
EcoSend said virtual event tickets typically sell for between $6 and $20, but some events go way higher depending on the content and who's hosting.
It's a fantastic way to reach a global audience and create unique experiences that people are willing to pay for.
Now, remember how EcoSend highlighted those video walking tours? It seems like a simple idea, but people are really into it.
It's like virtual tourism, you know? People use these videos to research travel destinations, reminisce about places they've been, or just explore a new city from their couch.
EcoSend said driving tours are gaining popularity too. It's like taking a virtual road trip.
I love that. And you don't need fancy equipment. Even a smartphone camera can do the trick. The key is to capture amazing footage, edit it in an engaging way, and showcase interesting locations.
Okay, let's tap into our crafty side. EcoSend highlighted making things to sell online as a great way to combine creativity with entrepreneurship.
Platforms like Etsy are perfect for this. You can sell all sorts of handmade goods, art, bags, beauty products, clothing, furniture, greeting cards. The possibilities are endless.
Trendy Coach had a great tip. Consider selling eco-friendly and sustainable products. It's a way to stand out and appeal to conscious consumers.
Smart move. People are becoming more mindful about where their stuff comes from.
Now, let's dive into the world of online consulting. It seems like everyone's looking for expert advice these days.
It's a booming industry, and you can consult on practically anything: business, e-commerce, education, marketing, you name it.
EcoSend listed a ton of niches. It was amazing. And you set your own rates and work with clients all over the world. Talk about flexibility.
But remember, just being an expert isn't enough. Both EcoSend and Trendy Coach talked about the importance of presenting yourself professionally.
Right. You need clear communication, smooth payment processes, all that good stuff builds trust with clients.
Exactly. Okay, let's circle back to content creation, but this time it's about print on demand. It's a cool way to design stuff without the hassle of printing and shipping.
I love that. You get to be creative and let platforms like Redbubble and Zazzle handle the rest.
EcoSend mentioned that Redbubble usually pays artists a 20% margin on each sale. Not a fortune, but it can add up.
And you can design for so many different products. EcoSend also said researching popular designs and niches is super important. You got to know what people want.
Right. Think about what's trending. Holidays, memes, tap into those popular themes.
Okay, shifting gears to online tutoring. This one's perfect for students or anyone with specialized knowledge who wants to help others learn and succeed.
With the rise of online learning, it's a fantastic time to be an online tutor. And you can choose from a ton of subjects: academics, languages, music, test prep, you name it.
EcoSyn pointed out that online tutors can set their own rates, and since it's all online, you can work with students from anywhere.
Trendy Code added that having a strong online presence is key to attracting clients and commanding higher rates. You got to show off those qualifications.
So it's not just about knowing your stuff, it's about marketing yourself effectively too.
Exactly. Now let's talk about a classic way to share your knowledge and expertise: writing an ebook.
It's a great way to establish yourself as an authority in your field and create a source of passive income. EcoSen said choosing the right topic, writing engaging content, and having an eye-catching cover are all essential.
And they emphasize the importance of promotion. You got to spread the word through your website, social media, email list, any way you can.
Right. And platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make self-publishing a breeze. But with so many ebooks out there, how do you stand out?
Trendy Code had a great tip. Use an SEO-friendly title and description so people can find your ebook when they're searching for information.
So it's about making your ebook discoverable.
Exactly. And don't forget to encourage readers to leave reviews. Positive reviews can really boost your visibility.
Okay, now for something a little different, testing websites. EcoSend presented this as a simple way to make extra cash while helping businesses improve their online presence.
It's a win-win. You identify glitches, evaluate the user experience, and give feedback to help website owners make their sites better.
EcoSend mentioned user testing as a platform that pays testers for their feedback. They highlighted that attention to detail and clear communication are key.
You got to be able to explain what you're seeing and suggest improvements in a way that makes sense to the website owner.
And Trendy Cody added that it's a great way to learn about different industries and website trends. It's like a behind-the-scenes peek into the world of web design and development.
I love that. Okay, let's circle back to video content, but this time we're talking about video creation in general. EcoSend highlighted the insane amount of money being poured into video advertising, over $191 billion in 2024 alone.
Wow. That just shows how much businesses value video as a marketing tool.
It's the power of storytelling, engaging audiences, and conveying information in a way that really sticks. Businesses are using video for everything: product demos, behind-the-scenes content, you name it.
And EcoSem pointed out that it's not just about long-form videos anymore. Short-form content like YouTube Shorts and Reels are huge too.
People want their content quick and engaging. It's all about capturing attention in those first few seconds.
So whether you're creating educational videos, funny clips, or anything in between, the opportunities are massive. And let's not forget about the skill that underpins it all: video editing.
Right. EcoSend said skilled video editors are in high demand. They can make raw footage look amazing. And they mentioned that video editors in the US make an average of $25.24 an hour, while those in the UK make about £14.57.
Not bad. And you can set your own rates if you go freelance or start your own video editing business.
Exactly. Now let's talk about a field that's all about personal growth: virtual coaching.
This one seems perfect for people who love helping others achieve their goals and live their best lives.
It's about sharing your knowledge, experience, and insights to empower others. EcoSend pointed out that virtual coaching is on the rise, allowing coaches to work with clients from anywhere in the world.
They listed a bunch of coaching niches, from business and career coaching to life and relationship coaching. There's a niche for everyone.
And the beauty is you can tailor your services to your clients' needs. You can offer one-on-one sessions, group coaching, online courses, whatever works best.
EcoSend said virtual coaches set their own rates, so you have control over your income. But what else is important for success in this field?
Both EcoSend and Trendy Code emphasize building a strong online presence and establishing clear communication with your clients. It's all about building trust and rapport.
So it's not just about giving advice. It's about creating a supportive environment where your clients can thrive.
Exactly. Okay, let's shift gears to a skill that's always in demand: translation.
This one's for the multilingual folks out there who can bridge language barriers and connect people across cultures.
It's a vital skill, especially as businesses become more globalized. EcoSend said translators can work freelance or for agencies, and they can specialize in different fields like legal, medical, or technical translation.
They mentioned that in the UK, translators make between £25,000 and £40,000 a year, while in the US, the hourly rate ranges from $15.08 to $43.31.
Trendy Coach added that building a strong online presence